guys, welcome back to my channel for another video, and happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day. So we are outside of the Walgreens. It is actually Monday evening when I am shopping, and we are going to do some deals for this week. I know I haven't done a Walgreens in-store haul in a while. I wanted to come last week, however, every day after work, me and my husband were tackling projects around the house, so it seemed simpler just to do either curbside or put out those digital deals videos for you guys. But I wanted to come in store this week because there was one deal that I really wanted to do that was producing a register award, and we know register awards don't print with curbside, so I wanted to come in store and do that. I also did a curbside order using a spend booster that ended up being a moneymaker that helped cover the cost of my in-store transactions. So I'm pretty happy with what I grabbed today. A lighter, smaller haul, but I'm still super happy with grabbing what we did. If you're interested in seeing what I grabbed, just stick around. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to coupon me at Walgreens today. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're gonna go ahead and get into the store. We're gonna talk about the deal that I'm grabbing in store. And when we get back to the car, we'll go over my curbside order and final numbers, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get inside. Alright, so my only in-store deal today is going to be this buy 4 get back a $5 register award on select P&G household products. So the Bounty Essential paper towels are included at $5.49 each. All the products included in this promotion are $5.49 each. So I'm going to grab 2 of the Bounty Essentials, and then I'll also grab 2 of the Charmin 6 = 24 mega roll toilet papers. Like I said, $5.49 each. So with all 4 products, we are at $21.96. I do have a 25-cent digital for the Charmin that I'll go ahead and just use, bringing me down to paying $21.71 at the register. I will pay that out of pocket in order to earn my $5 Walgreens cash when I spend $20. And then I'll earn my $5 register award for the buy 4 promotion, the $5 Walgreens cash for spending $20. And then we do have a month-long deal, I do believe, that is spend $15 on P&G products, earn back a $5 manufacturer coupon. So this is well over $15 in P&G products. So I should earn back that $5 register award there as well. So that brings the final cost down to $6.71, or about $1.67 per product, which is a stock-up price for Charmin and Bounty. So we're going to go ahead and check out with this. You guys can see I grabbed my pickup order, and then we'll meet back in the car to go over transaction details, final cost, and that little moneymaker curbside order I did. All right, so we're out from Walgreens, and everything went okay. I noticed right off the bat, though, that my $5 register award for the Charmin Bounty deal did not print for the buy 4 get a $5 register award. However, I did get back the spend $15 on P&G products, get the $5 manufacturer coupon. That did print, if you guys can see that. So kind of weird that that printed, but not the weekly deal, which I know that when that deal comes around, it's hit or miss, depending on which products you grab. And I wanted the Charmin Bounty. That seemed more beneficial to us. We go through that a lot faster than laundry detergent, but that's what printed for me. I also got a spend $40 get $8 Walgreens cash paper booster. So I haven't gotten a paper booster in a while. So maybe I'll execute that, put it to use either later this week or next week. So that was the in-store transaction, but before we get ahead of ourselves, I'll go over the curbside deal. So for my curbside deal, I will place numbers and digitals here on the screen somewhere as I go through the products. So the first thing I grabbed was 2 Colgate Total toothpaste. They are on sale this week, $3.99 each. Buy 2 get $4 Walgreens cash. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon you want to clip in the Walgreens app, leaving you to pay $3.98, earning that $4 Walgreens cash. Makes them free. Comes around quite often, but it was a super great filler to add to get me to $20 because I was using a spend $20 get $5 Walgreens cash digital booster. I got that on both of my accounts, so I was super happy to do that. Next, I went ahead and did this Bic deal, which I don't know if the digital's still available to clip. It came out 2 weeks ago, I do believe, and I still had it and hadn't used it. I still had it and had not used it. So the big products, the stationery products, are still buy one get one half off. So the highlighters online are $2.99 each. So buy one get one half off. One rings in at $2.99, the other at $1.50. This is the 5+1 bonus packs. I thought highlighters were a little more beneficial for me because I get pens all the time for myself. Not many highlighters. So that ended up being $4.48, and then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Like I said, I don't think it's still available to clip. It may be, but if you have it clipped, go ahead and use that. Makes it $1.48 for both. And then lastly, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these CoverGirl twin brow pencils, the trusty, dusty twin brow pencils. Online, I believe they are, I have to check my receipt, they were $4.49 each. Now in store, they're a little bit more expensive, not making it a money maker after this scenario, so that's why I did this curbside. $4.40, did I say $4.49? $4.49 each. I grabbed 2 of them. And then we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. I know that's not available to clip anymore. That came out Sunday, and those high value, good digital coupons, if you don't clip them Sunday morning, they will disappear. So I went ahead and clipped that. And then we have $3 Ibotta rebates, limit of 2 on the CoverGirl face or eye products, which makes these a $2 moneymaker, I do believe. I'll put it somewhere on the screen to be exact, but this moneymaker really helped with the rest of the transaction, and then the transaction helped with the in-store transaction, you know what I mean? So these do qualify for the Ibotta rebate, and I'm sure that Ibotta rebate will be gone soon, so definitely always constantly check your rebate apps before you go in a store. After you get out of store, scan those receipts, because rebates like that are always hot. So with all of those products, let's go ahead and do the math. I'm going to pull up my phone here to double check myself. So that comes to sorry guys, $21.44 was my subtotal for that transaction. So we have the $5 digital for CoverGirl, $3 for the Bic, $4 for the Colgate. I paid $9.44 out of pocket plus tax. Now in Walgreens cash back, I got back a total of $9. So $5 for the spend booster for spending $20, $4 for the buy 2 get $4 Walgreens cash Colgate, and then submitting to Ibotta for $3 each on the Colgate. That comes to a $5.56 moneymaker for those 6 products, which is phenomenal, and helped eat up the cost, like I said, of that in-store transaction for items I really wanted. And you know, we get the twin brow pencils all the time, which I know stinks, but when it's making you good money like that, you want to grab it, because then, like how I did, you can grab paper products for super, super cheap. So that was that. So we're at a $5.56 moneymaker. Now in store, we went ahead and did the Charmin Bounty products, $5.49 each. Buy 4 get a $5 register reward. I had a 25-cent digital, I believe, on my account for Charmin. I didn't have anything for Bounty. Left my subtotal at $21.71, which I did pay out of pocket. However, I'm not worried about it because I will be able to cash out of Ibotta. Once I submit for my CoverGirl, I'll have enough to cash out, refill my PayPal debit card that I use for couponing, so I'm not worried about paying the $20 when I'm getting 20 plus back from Ibotta to refill it. So that's a key, is always constantly recycle your rebate money and coupon money. So $21.71 plus tax. I did get $5.21 in Walgreens cash for my spend 20, earn 5 in digital spend booster. And like I said, I did get back my $5 manufacturer coupon for spending 15 on P&G products. However, I'm gonna have to contact Catalina for the $5 weekly promotion for the coupon, the register reward, I should say. So I do have my link down in the description box. Well, not my link, but a link to the Catalina site where you can submit a claim to get the Catalina, to send you your missing register rewards, because 9 times out of 10, Walgreens customer service online will not issue the Walgreens cash for it. They try to recruit you to go to Catalina, and this is a new store to me. I have not gone to this store till tonight because we moved to a new area, so I didn't want to risk it and ask them, like, can you issue me the Walgreens cash for this register reward not printing? I don't know how they flow around here with couponers, so this is kind of me testing the waters. So I will submit to Catalina, And what I do is I tend to take a screenshot of the weekly promotion and add it into my claim, like upload it to show them this is what it's supposed to be producing. This is what I'm missing. So that is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and count that $5 into my cost because I will be persistent about getting that back. So the subtotal is $21.71 for that transaction. And then we did get back the $5 Walgreens cash, $5 for spending $15 on P&G, and I will get back the $5 for the weekly promotion after I submit to Catalina. So that makes the final cost for all of these products today just $1.15. We have, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. 10 products. That comes to 11 cents per product, which is insane. $1 for everything? Oh my goodness, that is fantastic. Now, I do want to address this while I am thinking about it. I mentioned before with my Walgreens digital deals that I upload that curbside orders are not producing receipts. Now, I figured out the hack. I heard a couple others using this hack, and so I figured I'd test it out myself, and I did figure it out. So when I went into the store and said that I have a curbside order, which at this point we need to go into the store to the photo counter and pick up our curbside orders, because if we're doing it the traditional way, then it's not going to bring out a receipt. So go in store, go to the photo counter. I told him I have my curbside pickup order, and I saw that he went to pick up his handheld scanner. And I said, heard through the grapevines that this scanner, when you scan this, is not going to print me a receipt. Is there any way we can do something where it prints a paper receipt? I didn't want to tell him how to do his job. I feel iffy doing that already, but I need that paper receipt to submit to Ibotta. And he said, no, I totally understand. That's been happening. I'll just ring you up at the register up front. When they ring you up at the registers and scan it with the scanner for the register, it is printing receipts. But when they're using their handheld, it is not. So that is key. Just simply ask if they can ring you up at the register. Just tell them you need the receipt and see if there's a solution. Don't try to tell them how to do their job. I didn't want to go in there and be like, listen, I know the scanner is the issue. Ring me up at the register. That's why I asked if there was a solution to getting the receipt. And he knew right off the bat what I meant, and he knew that they weren't producing receipts. So it seems that they've been having some trouble with that and some complaints about that lately. So I'm super thankful that he understood what I meant and was super helpful. But that is that. That is the key. We're going to start going in store to the photo counter to physically pick these up now. And we're going to have to request a different solution being rung up at the register to get those paper receipts if we're doing Ibotta or any other rebates. So that is that. I know this was a short and sweet haul and pretty just straightforward, but it is super newbie friendly, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to get back in the swing of in-store Walgreens couponing and just grabbing essentials this week. So thank you guys so much for watching and couponing with me today. Like I mentioned, I do have the link to Catalina if you're needing to submit a register award claim. That is in my description box. Also the direct link to Walgreens customer service chat if you're wanting to maybe try to get Walgreens cash reimbursed for the register award. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Sometimes you get a good associate that will help you and do that. Other times, like I said, they'll refer you to Catalina. Or in case digital coupons didn't come off, you can definitely contact them. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!